They couldn't stop me if they want. 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 They couldn't stop me.
Okay, my name is Nestor and I support National Soccer.
The PP moving and shit?
Hell yeah, that shit don't look real.
You said it again. You said you ain't never seen this shit?
I don't think that shit real. Somebody
He said he ain't never seen this shit besides on YouTube.
Like, for real. This shit is real, dude.
Oh, it's real.
How do you turn that
real as
shit
it
like
get.
that?
You don't turn
That
it. You
shit is
gotta
wild,
listen to
bro.
make shit.
Burn off the train.
Whoever going to train for get burned.
Okay.
Doors closing.
He's not there, burning. He might start pouring back in your ass. Keto.
Well, getting on the train and burn.
You recording me, nigga? You a fucking creep.
Bro, shut the fuck up, nigga.
Nigga, this, my trophy doesn't walk.
My trophy doesn't walk. Oh yeah, I won this at BG's. I got lucky.
Somebody got lucky. He burnt the shit out of motherfuckers. Hey, we can say that shit. They be saying the shit.
I ain't gonna say this shit. I'm gonna be humble, bro. I don't be on shit, though.
Fuck this samurai ass nigga.
Hey, I won this.
What you do to them motherfuckers? You burnt their ass, didn't you? You burnt their ass,
I
didn't
won
you,
this
G?
5 years ago, and I'm lucky.